7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello and welcome to the most epic adventure of my life. I'm currently in Taiwan Airport. I'm flying to London where I'm about to go on a 5-week solo adventure around the UK and to Iceland. Cannot wait to vlog it for everyone so everyone can follow along, and because I'm doing it by myself as well, so it'll be really fun to document it, look back on all the memories. Hey everyone, so I actually landed yesterday, but I was extremely tired and got straight on the train from Gatwick to Haywards Heath, where I'm staying for the next 2 nights. Gatwick Airport was the best airport I've ever been to, by the way. So super quick, super smooth. Didn't have to fill out a landing card or anything, which was super cool. But today I'm off to Brighton. I'm all dressed. I have like 4 layers on, and it is pouring down rain outside and super windy, so don't know how long I'm going to be down there for, but it'll be super fun. I'm so excited to go back. Right there. I was on that ride last time I was here. Now it's closed. All the rides are closed. This is how bad this weather is. So we're at Berlin Gap and the Seven Sisters, and we're just looking at the waves. And it's really, really, really windy, and I'm not cold though. I'm all good. But it's extremely windy. And I don't know if you can hear me. Paul is hiding over there. Look at her. See her right there? Look at Paula grabbing our parking ticket. Paula and I are down at Eastbourne seafront, and we're going to go get some photos at the bandstand. Take a look around and go to Prime Marché afterwards. How exciting! Oh my goodness! They're opening the doors too. Look at all the rocks. It's come from the beach. Look at it. So all the rocks that were on there have washed up onto there. This is like the Eastbourne seafront, is the pier over there. Oh my goodness. So if you can see, all the rocks have come all the way up. See it right there, and then it's just come up all here. Mental, absolutely mental. So I'm currently down on the Eastbourne seafront, and as you can tell it's still windy, but I'm down near the beach huts, which are really cool. Just taking some photos in front of them. But Paul's in the car, so I'm gonna go. But yeah, they're really, really cute. I wish we had something like this in Australia. I think it'd be really, really sick, because you can hire them out and then you can sit by the beach in little beach huts. Look at them. That's really cute. Get out of this wind. I don't find it very cold. I'm sure a lot of people would. But yeah, I've taken some really cool pictures. And now I think we're going to head into town and go to Primark. I'm so excited. Let's go. Hey everyone, so it's the next day. Yesterday was really windy and ended up going to Primark afterwards and just spent some money. I only bought myself 3 things though, which was pretty good. I'm now on the train heading to London and I'm officially by myself, so it's super scary. But I'm heading to London, going to check into my hotel, and then I'm going to explore London before I go to see a West End musical tonight. I'm not going to tell you what it is just yet. Hello! So I've made it to London. I've checked into my hotel. Like I said before, I'm staying at the Royal National Hotel. I'll give you a little room tour in a second, but it just feels so weird to be back here because I was here 4 years ago, but I stayed over that side. It was so confusing though because there's a north and south side of the hotel and I didn't know what side to go to, but it turns out I needed to go to the Kentucky basement to check in first, which I wasn't aware of. So I went down there, then got told to go to the south building, but then the south building told me to go to the north building. So confusing. But anyway, I'm here. I am sharing a room with someone, but I think I'm the only one here at the moment because there's no other luggage here. But I've never done anything like this before, so I don't know who it is. I don't know if they're in my Kentucky or if we're just sharing the room. Don't know when they're going to turn up, whether they turn up tonight or if I have the room to myself. I'm not sure. But it is currently almost 3 p.m. I don't have to be at the theatre tonight until 7. So I have a few hours. I might chill in here for a bit and just kind of relax because that was a really long journey. But yeah, and I'll show you around my room. And yeah, I didn't actually vlog that much this morning because the anxiety hit me like an actual ton of bricks. And I'd been kind of waiting for that to hit the whole trip and it decided to all hit this morning all at once. So that was fun. But now, yeah, I'll show you around my room. So, 2 beds. It's like the simplest of rooms. Desk with a mirror. So I'm glad it's pretty much a full-length mirror. And in here is sink, an actual bath, what the hell, shower and toilet. So that's pretty nice. I'm staying in room 2203 on the north side. Anyway, not sure what I'm going to go up to in the next 4 hours, but we'll see.